What's happening, traders? Welcome back to another video. This video is just a quick vlog I took in Dubai. I forgot to upload this one. It's a quick trip to the skate park there called XDubai. Awesome place. They've also got some free running stuff going on and all sorts like that. So it's just an insight to my life outside of the charts. So hopefully you enjoy this. If you haven't already, go check out our website and our new clothing range. That is on there. The link will be in the description. And yeah, hope you like this other video. Peace. What's happening, traders? Welcome back to another video. So we're here on Kite Beach. There's a skate park here in Dubai. We're gonna check it out. I see that Red Bull's here. Apparently there's a competition or something. So we're gonna go check it out, go have a skate, and hopefully I can get as much as I can for you guys. So let's do it. It is. And there you have it, guys, a quick montage of my trip to XDubai. If you haven't already, check out the other vlog style videos on the channel. Basically, I normally do, there's no trades in this one, but normally live trades, and then I'll go and do something like ride my skateboard, or if I'm on holiday, go snowboarding in the mountains, and I'll manage the trades while I'm doing that activity to show you the freedom of trading. Come and join the Discord. Lots of you guys are coming over there. The community's building, and it's awesome to see you guys posting and showing me your trades and asking questions and posting memes. Super cool. And check out the clothing brand. The link is in the description. But anyway, thank you so much for the support, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.